guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we will discuss about USA labor law. What is labor law and details about labor law? Understanding labor law in the USA, a compressing overview. Labor law in the United States is a complex framework of a federal and a state regulation that governs relation between employers and the employees, ensuring fair treatment, safe working conditions, and the protections of a worker's right. This article provides an in-depth exploration of the key aspects of labor law in USA. The National Labor Law Act (NLRA), the cornerstone of a labor law in the USA, is the National Labor Relations Act, also known as the Wagner Act, enacted in 1935. The NLRA grants employers a right to organize, join union, and engage in a collective bargaining with the employers. This legislation established and the National Labor Relations Board (NLRB), an agency responsible for enforcing the NLRA provision and addressing unfair labor practices. Collective bargaining. Collective bargaining is a fundamental concept in a labor law, allowing employees to negotiate with employers as an undefined group. A union play a central role in the process, representing worker interest and advocating for for better wages, working conditions, and benefits. The NLRA outlines the procedure and the rules for the conducting collective bargaining and defines unfair labor practice on both the employer and the union side. Fair Labor FLSA. The Fair Labor Standard Act, as enacted in 1938, sets the federal standards for the minimum wage, overtime pay, and child labor protection under FLSA. BKLC, BSDK. More employees are entitled to receive a minimum hourly wage and overtime pay for a rate for 1.5 minutes. They regularly work hours 40 in a week. Certain experimentation apply based on job duties and salary levels. Workplaces safety and health. The Occupational Safety and Health Act (OSH) as Act 1970 established the Occupational Safety and Health Administration (OSHA) responsible for ensuring safe and healthy working conditions for employees. OSHA sets and enforce standards that an employer must follow to protect workers from hazards such as exposure to harmful substances, dangerous equipment, and unsanitary conditions. Equal employment opportunity. Several federal laws, including the VIA of the Civil Rights Act on 1964, American, and with the Disability Act (ADA), Employment Act (ADA). Factors the race, color, religion, sex, and disability and age. Age. These laws promote equal opportunities and fair treatment in hiring, firing, promotions, and other employment practices. State labor law. In addition to federal regulations, each state has its own labor law that can vary wide have experiments, and some states have expanded upon a federal standard to provide additional rights and benefits to workers with the benefit judicial enforcement and remedies. When employees or union violate labor law, affected parties can file government or agencies such as the NLRB, OSHA, or Equal Employment Opportunities and the Commission. EEOC remedies may include back pay, resistance, fines, or other corrective actions or restore workers' rights and rectify unfair practices. Labor law in the USA is a multifaceted framework designed to balance the interests of employer and employees while ensuring fair treatment, safe working conditions, and the protections of worker rights. By understanding the key legislation and legislation governs the employment relation both employers and employers, navigate the complexities of the labor landscape, and contribute to a more equitable and a productive workforce. I hope you understand that the topic. The topic is about USA labor law overview. Inshallah, we will meet in our next video. Till then, bye. Take care. Allah Hafiz.